It's rough. It's not good. Driving is rough out there, and some people going really slow and all that. Obviously, four-wheel drive, you can get along okay, but it's very windy. The wind is drifting snow, and it's pretty rough out there.
What's it been like?
Cold, not letting up, feels kind of unproductive.
It's not easy. It definitely puts a lot of strain on the body, lower back, but you know, you just take a little bit at a time. Try not to do too much and hurt yourself. Because I'd rather shovel again later with 6 inches than 12 to 14, 16, 18 inches, 20 potentially. It's actually pretty dense. It's very light and crystally, but it's very heavy, almost an ice type. Very fine. Unlike a real light powder, it's pretty heavy.